The best 3D pen. There will be more than a few 3D pens trying to catch the eye of the people looking for a quirky, fun, and creative idea this holiday season. You have to admit 3D pens look cool and the idea of sketching in 3D is very appealing. So, to help you determine the 3D pen to consider for yourself or a potential giftee, take our helping hand and draw from our dozens of hours using the 3D pens to help you pick handled holiday favorite. So let's start. Number 5. Mint 3D Super 3D Pen. Doodle, sketch, and paint in 3D with the quality pen. Look at the images. It features a stepless variable exertion speed control that allows for dialing in the perfect flow. The temperature can be changed to allow for ABS or PLA printing. This drawing kit comes with a lightweight ergonomic stylus, 3-color of ABS plastic. Number 4. Mint 3D Professional Printing 3D Pen. The Mint 3D pen, you can crank up the extrusion speed for larger fill in the areas and turn it down slow to create intricate works of art. The stepless design lets you dial in the optimal speed for any task you can throw at all. The temperature can be adjusted from 130 to 240 C in 1 degree increments. To help fine-tune the thickness and flow rate of extruded material, this drawing kit comes with a lightweight ergonomic stylus, 3 colors of ABS plastic. Number 3. 3Doodler Create Plus 3D Printing Pen. The world's first in a 3D printing device, featuring improved power, durability, and reliability for a superior doodling experience. This 3D pen comes packed with 15 different colors of 3Doodler Create, plastic refills, and a comprehensive activity guide. Get the best 3D drawing experience by only using the best and safest non-toxic 3D Doodler Create plastic filaments. The Create Plus 3D printing pen is compatible with 3Doodler Create 3mm PLA, ABS, and Flexi plastic only. Number 2. Mint 3D Basic 3D Pen. The Basic 3D Pen offers a user-friendly entry into the world of 3D art for those not needing advanced features, compatible with the same widely available and inexpensive ABS and PLA that 3D printers use. Overbuilt from the highest quality environment first materials, our product will stick with you to the end. Extrude in slow, medium, or fast speed to create intricate designs or fill in large spaces. Sealed nozzle and overbuilt gearbox ensure clog-free operation. Number 1. Scribe 3D P1 3D Printing Pen. Create, draw, doodle, and build in 3D with the affordable yet high-grade 3D pen. The new Scribe 3D pen helps improve impartial thinking, creativity, and artistic skills. Great for quality family time and as a practical tool for making handmade gifts or decorations, or for everyday fixes around the home. The P1 pen features a stepless speed function designed for optimal speed control no matter the task, whether slower, intricate projects, includes either 3 colors 15 meters or 10 colors 60 meters, or PLA plastic to keep you doodling for ages.